Another plot twist regarding the marital status of the late Kelvin Kiptum has taken another twist. The late marathon holder was believed to have one wife, but things have all of a sudden taken a shift. Several women have come out on social media narrating and showcasing the relationship and affair they had with the late. A lady on TikTok named Lastborn to War has shared a 10-minute video call where they had with the late Kelvin Kiptum. This is what she shared, and I will quote, "You couldn't wait for me, why?" On the other hand, a lady named Jayla has come out saying, and I will quote, "Hamwezi elewa mahali nilitoka na Kiptum. I think most of his time alikuwa anaspend na mimi. It's so painful, na respect Kevo forever." Hata hivyo hakuna siku niliwahi kosa kumpost juu mostly alikuwa ananiambia nimpost na alikuwa anajua wife, akuna namba yangu na niko na yake. Even the last minute aliniambia ni post picha nikiwa na dress ya yellow na yake akiwa na sweta ya yellow. The big question Kenyans are asking themselves is whether these two are faking the affair with the motive of acquiring his wealth, or is it true they were his wives? In a video posted by Jayla showcasing her Valentine gifts the late Kelvin Kiptum gifted her, has some words stating about him wanting her to be the second wife. Abdul Shemu, a Facebook blogger, took to his social writing, and I quote, "She is claiming to be the wife, but I think we all know the wife. Let's be very careful about people who will come in next week, few weeks looking for money."